Hello and welcome to this video on how to increase your vocabulary. Whether you are learning English and want to expand your knowledge, having a rich vocabulary can open up a world of possibilities and improve your communication skills. First, I'd like to ask you leave your like, comments, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Could be a simple action to help YouTube hand over this video for more people, okay? Can I count you? Here we go. So, how can you go about improving your vocabulary? Here are some tips, and the last one is perfect. First of all, read, read, and read. Yes, read is on the best way to increase your vocabulary. Make it a habit to read regularly, whether it's novel, books, and web pages around the internet like BBC or CNN. Pay attention to new words and try to understand their meaning and context. You can also use a dictionary to look up unfamiliar words. Okay, you can use flashcards. Flashcards are a great tool for memorizing new words. Write the words on one side of the card and the definition on the other. Review the cards regularly and try to use the new words and new sentences. Okay? Watching and listen to content just in English. If you are learning English, you need to expose yourself to as much content in English as possible. Watching movies, TV shows, and listen music in English, just in English. This will help you pick up new words and phrases. Play word games. Word games like Scrabble, crossword puzzles, and word jumbles are not only fun but also can you learn it new words. You can also find word games online or download word games apps on your phone. Okay, use a thesaurus. A thesaurus is a great tool for finding synonyms and antonyms. Use a thesaurus can help you expand your vocabulary and improve your writing skills. Keep a vocabulary journal. Keep a journal of new words you learn can help you remember them better. Write down the word, its definition, and an example sentence. Review your journal regularly to reinforce your learning. Remember, increasing your vocabulary takes time and effort. Try to incorporate these tips into your daily routine and you will start seeing results in no time. Now, let's see the better and last one. While there are various methods to increase your vocabulary, there is no secret to it. It takes time, effort, and dedication to learn and retain new words. One important aspect of expanding our vocabulary is to have a strong motivation and interest in learning new words. If you find the learning process boring or understanding, it may become more challenging to retain new words. Therefore, it is important to find enjoyable and engaging ways to learn new words. It's not other way. Another crucial factor is to use the words we learn in our everyday life. We need to make a conscious effort to incorporate new words into our conversation, writing, or reading. This will help us reinforce our learning and make the new words a part of our natural vocabulary. Okay? Moreover, we need to be consistent and persistent in our effort to expanding our vocabulary. Learning new word is not a one-time task, but rather an ongoing process. We need to dedicate time regularly to learn and review new words to retain them effectively. Okay? Lastly, it's essential to have a balanced approach to learning new words. We need to focus on both breadth and depth to vocabulary. We should aim to learn new words from various topics and fields, while also developing a deeper understanding of words we already know. In conclusion, there is no secret to expanding our vocabulary. It's taking motivation, interest, effort, consistency, and a balanced approach to learning and retain new words effectively. By incorporating this aspect to our learning process, we can gradually expanding our vocabulary and enhancing our communication skills. I hope I helped you. Thanks for watching and happy learning.